Can you imagine a world where commercial printing is not only faster and more efficient, but also more intelligent? A world where artificial intelligence, or AI, is the driving force behind revolutionary changes in the industry? Well, it's not just a figment of the imagination, it's happening right now. Starting with production planning, AI is flexing its muscles. By using algorithms such as genetic algorithms and simulated annealing, AI is reshaping the way we approach scheduling, resource allocation, and inventory optimization. Research by Gopsill and Hicks in 2018, Mumtaz and team in 2019, and Limchesing et al. In 2020 show significant improvements in these areas due to AI intervention. In the prepress phase, AI is revolutionizing image processing and design generation. It's automating image cropping and integrating aesthetic judgment into the process. It's making design more efficient, consistent, and creative. When it comes to the press phase, the quality inspection has never been so precise. With the help of AI, the printing process is monitored with an eagle eye, ensuring that every dot falls exactly where it should, maintaining the highest quality standards. Post-press is another area where AI is making a mark. It's ensuring high-quality outputs while optimizing post-printing processes. The result? A reduction in waste, an increase in efficiency, and a product that meets the highest quality standards. AI is also proving its worth in operational management and maintenance. With tools like hybrid genetic algorithms and intelligent water drops, AI is enhancing operational efficiency, reducing downtime, and increasing productivity. And it doesn't stop there. AI is streamlining production and supply chain management, making it more efficient and more responsive to market demands. It's helping to reduce lead times, lower inventory levels, and improve customer satisfaction. The commercial printing industry is also witnessing the introduction of cutting-edge AI techniques. Imagine 3D printing robots, guided by AI, producing complex and intricate designs, or deep learning models that can predict demand, optimize processes, and even come up with new design ideas. These are the kind of industry shifts that we are talking about. To sum it up, AI is reshaping the commercial printing industry. It's making it smarter, faster, and more efficient. It's not just about printing anymore, it's about intelligent printing, and it's happening right now.